In President His Excellency General Dr. Constantino Chiwenga's words on February 11, 2024 echoed a crucial message for Zimbabwe's future. The country's liberation legacy must be protected for future generations. But what does this mean for Zimbabwe? Sapita mashoko buda panguva ino tinogara makomicha chiti unpacking VP Chiwenga score. What protecting Zimbabwe's liberation legacy really means. Ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa paende makomicha mudanyira chiti. Principal's statement emphasizes preserving Zimbabwe's hard-won independence and sovereignty. The liberation struggle freed Zimbabwe from colonial rule, and it's essential to honor the sacrifices made by heroes and heroines who gave their lives for the nation. Protecting the legacy means promoting values like unity, patriotism, respecting the constitution, and ethical leadership. It involves building a prosperous nation where every citizen can live with dignity and contribute to growth. Mukanya stressed leaders must prioritize national interests over personal gain, ensuring benefits are shared equitably. The VP's call is timely, given the country's economic difficulties and concerns of corruption undermining the struggle's values. Protecting the legacy ensures leaders prioritize development and citizen-see well-being. Key aspects: promoting unity and national pride, upholding ethical leadership, driving economic empowerment, protecting the constitution. Kudoguru's words remind Zimbabweans their future depends on honoring their past. Protecting the liberation legacy builds a brighter future for generations to come. Thomas Wantawana Makomichi achisapota the view ya Chiwenga yakuti kuprotecta the liberation legacy kunoponya sikumborerei. Tudze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro peVP Constantino Chiwenga score panguva ino achiramba maconstitutional amendments. Pena comment section medu za funguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechituko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.